Hello, you can call me Miss Hillary. In this video, let's talk about past simple. Let's get started, shall we? But before we get into the discussions, let's do some warm-up activity first. You need to answer these three questions, okay, by using past simple for your answers. Ready? The first question is, what did you do in July? The second question is, what did you do on the 5th of the month? And the third question is, what did you do at 10 o'clock in the morning? Okay, whatever your answer is, remember, you must use past simple. When you talk about past simple, okay, all that you need to remember when you use past simple, okay, it's about when you want to talk about something that already completed in the past, that already happened in the past, okay? You can take a look at the slide here. It talks about an action that took place in the past. Take a look at the example. He got up, paid the bill, and left. I didn't read the letter. I just gave it to Lee. What did you say? The second is it talks about a state that continued for some time, but that is now finished. I went to school in Scotland. Did she really work there for 10 years? Number three, it talks about actions that happen regularly in the past. I often played tennis with her. She always won. They never went to the cinema. Okay. So once again, when you talk about past simple, it means anything you want to say is about something, action, event that already happened in the past. Past simple form. Okay. Maybe in your school you already know the form of the past simple. For the positive or for the affirmative sentence, it consists of subject plus verb 2. Okay, past verb. And for the negative sentence, it consists of subject plus did not plus verb 1. For the interrogative sentence, the pattern is did plus subject plus verb 1. Don't forget the question mark. So whatever you do, you need to remember that only in affirmative sentence or positive sentence, okay, you use the verb in past form. Let's talk about the verb in past form. For regular verbs, okay, we simply add ed here, okay, to the base form of the verb. So example is from work, it become work. Or D if the verb already ends in E. For move, we add D here. When you use past simple in your sentence, you need to remember there are two kind of verbs, okay, that you use in that sentence. The first one is irregular verbs and the second is regular verbs. As I already mentioned before, in regular verbs, you simply add ed or d at the end of the verb, okay? But in irregular verbs, it will be more complicated than regular one. You need to memorize the past form of that verb, of the verb one. All right, so that's all about past simple. Before you go, you can do some worksheet here, or I already prepared for you. Try to do it. And if there's any questions, feel free to leave a comment, okay, and we will answer you as best as we can. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.